Welcome to today's vlog. Got a little escape artist over here. I'm in the car with the girls, have some errands to run. I want to grab a coffee first, but then their vet called because they had their first vet appointment, and especially with what happened to Puka, I had them like check everything. So they did a fecal sample, and they said it's very common. Both of them have something. I'll have to ask them when I'm there. They left it in the voice message. But basically both of them need like a medicine I'm gonna go get, and then I wanna take them to Petco to get a couple of things. So I got the brown sugar oat milk shaken espresso. I don't know, since it's been hot, I've been on a cold kick. Normally I always get hot lattes, but oh god. Lately, the girls who are sitting in here so cute, they've been tearing up their pee pads. So I was thinking of getting them one of these. I had one of these for Coley. It just didn't look as like real as this does. And I feel like it actually did work really great for if I ever, did leave. She would just go right to it in my apartment when I like lived in Baltimore. So I'm gonna give this a try, I think. And then I also found look, there's like Hawaiian print bags. Okay, Go-Go's. We're going. They're very excited because they saw me getting their training treats. So these are their favorites. I got the beef and the chicken for you guys, okay? Getting these for them too because I know that was telling me usually around 12 weeks they start teething really bad, and they're just over 11 weeks now. So some teething treats. See if there's anything for Kailua so she doesn't feel forgotten. I'm gonna get her these. They're like little gravy packets you put over their food because she loves these. I've never gotten her one of these before, but we're gonna try it. Gonna get her some little treats too. This little cat mat is so cute. Look at it. I also had a friend who had a drinking fountain for their cats, and they loved it. So I'm gonna try this one. See how it works. If she likes it. These are all so funny. The cactus is actually cute. I feel like for my sister in Texas, I'm like, that would look so cute. I'm just spoiling all the pets today. I'm gonna get her those too. I'm dying right now. Meowana catnip rollies. They are passed out. They're gobbling up the new little bacon sticks I got for them. Did you like that? Aw, is it yummy? Puka, Cocoa Bean. Car wash? Yeah, those girls. First car wash in the new car.
And go spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this.
Alright, so this is the medicine for Coco, and then I guess both of them, I'm supposed to sprinkle this on their food. And basically when I looked it up, it's like basically like a worm and like a deworming kind of medication. So also gave me these, which I guess is for their flea and tick. They said there is a pill that they can give them when they get a little bigger, but they're still too small for it, so I have to do the topical right now. And they weren't like showing signs of like fleas or ticks or anything like that, but obviously we live in an area where I just know it's common. Like I always just did it more preventatively with Coley too, every single month. And yeah, they said the parasite thing is really common. I mean, I haven't noticed anything weird with their stool. Like, I mean, seems normal. Looks like the same for both of them. But I mean, Puka definitely goes a little more, but I think Puka also eats a little more than Coco. But just all things with puppies, you know, you gotta take care of. Girls are napping, at least Coco is. Puka's chilling. I'm gonna make my green drink for the day. First step, water. I have a scoop of my Live It Up powder, and this is the berry flavor. They also have a regular flavor. A huge thank you to Live It Up for sponsoring today's video. Then I'm just gonna use the blender, then pop in my straw. I love Live It Up because it is not chalky at all. It is super smooth. The flavor isn't super sweet or overpowering either. It's just the lightest hint of a berry flavor. If you want more flavor though, you could add it to juice or to a smoothie. I honestly like it with just plain water. And for me, you guys know I love all the things wellness, and I feel like it just gives me so much peace of mind to know that I have my greens every single day, especially on busy days like today when I'm running around like crazy. Live It Up is made with organic ingredients. There's 20 different superfoods in this, and the label doesn't lie. It is just loaded with all these different vitamins and minerals. And I just feel so good knowing that I'm choosing things that are fueling my body and helping with my overall health and my mood and my energy. But if you check out the ingredients, these aren't things that I would necessarily go and shop for in the grocery store, which is why I think Live It Up just makes it so easy to drink them every single day. Like kale, broccoli, spinach, barley grass, all these superfoods that are amazing for you, but you don't necessarily eat every single day. Live It Up is great for better digestion, less bloating. That is definitely something I've noticed when I've incorporated this every single day into my routine. Healthy aging, immune support, and advanced energy. And I have tried a lot of other greens powders, and this one is my favorite flavor out of all of them. And this is just one of those things. If you're looking to have a healthier lifestyle, it is so easy to incorporate this every single day. One of those small little steps to a better, healthier version of you. But try Live It Up for yourself. I'm gonna have a QR code here on the screen that you can scan, or you can use the link down in my description box below. And be sure to use my code Brianna15 for 15% off of your first order of Live It Up. And you really have nothing to lose because there is free shipping and a 30-day money-back guarantee. And thank you again to Live It Up for sponsoring today's video and helping me to stay healthy every single day. All right, so the vet told me to kind of separate them after I put this on them. Get it. So I'm gonna put this on you, Puka. Here. There you go. So like right in between their shoulder blades. But she said separate them because sometimes they'll try to lick it off of each other. All right, so you're gonna go in your bed for a minute, okay? All right, Coco's turn. It's your turn. Yeah. It's okay, honey. All right, push that down. Okay. All right, there you go. There, you're all done. Good job. Good girl. Yeah. Good little one. How cute is that for Kailua? I'm obsessed. So I haven't put these out yet, but I just ordered these bowls so that the puppies each have their own food bowl and water bowl. And I got this little treat jar too. This one has like their dental treats in it. And then this is from the Target Dollar Spot. It actually says candy on it, but that's where I put their like training treats and treats for after they go potty. just came running when I opened the gravy. I was like, you want one of your gravies? And I opened it. Here, I'm gonna eat that on your food. There you go, good girl. There you go, sweetie. Enjoy it. And I hope you know how much we love you too, sweetie. We love you so much. Is that good? I don't know if you hear her. She's like purring. That makes you happy, huh? Happy girl. Happy girl. Getting your yummy treat. Aw. You've been a good kitty. You've been a good big sister. Pretty girl. It's filled up her new water bowl. Aw, Kailua, come here. You like it? Isn't that cool? Water is way more fun when it's from a cute little kitty fountain. They're all just playing in here now.
Life is a winding road. No telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights. Won't
Just
stop
love
for
Kailua.
traffic light.
They want to play with her so bad. And I think she wants to play with them too, because she just usually just like lays there and kind of rolls around with them. Huh, Kai? Make you friends?
Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head.
Working on some commands. Well, just one command. Puka's already doing it. Here, Puka, up. All right, now sit. Sit, Puka. Puka, sit. Sit. Good. It's a good girl. Good girl sitting. Good girl. We're trying. Gotta keep working on it every day, huh? The one thing I did here on an Instagram I follow for puppy training is she said to cover where they're sleeping, and that way it's like their sign they know that it's nap time. And I do feel like it does work. They like get really quiet. Puppies were taking a nap, so I need to do my little hot cycle.
I've been alone for what seems like forever.
Literally dripping. But I gotta go home. Of course, late per usual. I have to get ready for the dinner that I'm going to tonight. Girls are awake. Ready to go outside? Aww. Let's ring your button. Say, gotta go potty. Good job. Coco's turn. Come here. Come here, Coco. Here, say go potty. Good job.
Where did you come from? I'm wondering. Baby, are you made up of for real? Say, can you feel what I feel? 'Cause I can tell if I'm just dreaming.
Oh, good job, Coco. Let's go get our treats. Good girls. Good girl. Alright, I got the girls in here with me. Made sure I picked up everything that was on the floor. Does anybody else do like the gua sha thing in mechanic right? But it's like supposed to like drain like all the lymphatic puffiness in your face, I guess. I don't know. I do feel like I noticed like a momentary difference, but I don't know. I don't know if it like actually works long term, but give me a try. I did just get this new, it's basically a primer, but when I put this on my hand in Sephora, it gave me the dewiest, like nicest glow. It's, sorry to tell you what it was. It's the One Size Secure the Glow. It says Tacky Hydrating Primer, but I feel like does just make my skin feel really good too. So, and I just like started using my makeup brushes to kind of put on face lotions and primers, and I feel like then it spreads out much easier too than when I use my fingers. But I feel like when I do use that xoxo, it's like a little quartz, I feel like it then does like make my skin just more red for a second. So I'll usually do the base of all my makeup and then kind of finish it after I blow dry my hair, because then I feel like the redness is kind of going away. Like I feel like if I start putting stuff on now, it's like not true redness that needs to be covered up. But do this. I love, these are the Butter Glow Bronzing Serum. I feel like it's helped keep my face, because I always wear SPF on my face like religiously, my lotion and stuff. So my face usually is never as tan as the rest of me. I feel like this helps to kind of keep it matching my body when my face is paler.
I loving their new chewy bones I got them, huh? Is that good? Keeping you busy? It's good. Well, mommy gets ready. Can you feel what I feel? 'Cause I can tell if I'm just dreaming. I wish I had a girl like you, and I wish you could be real, but you're not really here, and I don't wanna wake up without you, but tonight is gonna have to do if I'm gonna get with a girl like you, girl like you, girl like you. If I'm gonna get with a girl like you, girl like you, girl like you. If I'm gonna get with a girl like you, girl like you, girl like you. I don't wanna wake up without you, but tonight is gonna have to do if I'm gonna get with a girl like you.
I got to my little baby girls. I have to go put them away and go to dinner.
Here, sweet Kai Kais. You gonna be the babysitter tonight? I'm just going to dinner. So
Set up their new pee-pee pad in here.
have to go pee-pee. Use that, okay?
All right, I love you. I'll be back soon. Love you. Bye.
Seems like you've been busy since you went away.
What did I just order?
Oh, I forgot to order that fried chicken. Mine, your picture. Let me try that chicken. Tastes like that.
Could you tell me what I'm supposed to do without you? It's like I'm just seeing empty faces staring from across the room when